Hi children, wow, too many toys in Pearl LILIC Water. Very nice children, very nice. So I am finding toys in this water children. Wow, I will take this one. Wow children, red color jet plane. Nice children, very nice. I am finding one more toy. I will take this one. Wow, children, yellow color sports car. Very nice children, very nice. Okay children, I am finding one more toy. I will take this one children. Wow children, a concrete mixer. Very nice. Nice children, very nice. Okay, children, I am finding one more toy. What? Which one? I will take this, children. Hey, wow, children! Black color Royal Enfield. Very nice, children. Very nice. Okay, children, I am finding one more toy. Which one? I will take this one, children. Wow, children, pigeon. Very nice, children. Very nice. Hey, children, I am finding one more toy. Wow, children, which one? Yeah, I will take this one. Children, red color helicopter. Children, very nice children, very nice. Okay, I am finding one more toy. Which one? Wow, children, I will take this one. Wow, children, excavator. Very nice children, very nice. Children, I am finding one more toy. Yes, I will take this one, children. Wow, children, rhinoceros. Very nice children, very nice. Okay children, I am finding one more toy. I will take this one, children. Hey, wow children, very big army aeroplane. Very nice children, very nice. Okay children, I am finding one more toy. What is this? Yeah, I will take. Wow children, multicolor scooter. Very nice children, very nice. Children, I am finding one more toy. Something is there, children. Wow, what is this? Wow, children, white color THOR Jeep. Very nice children, very nice. Okay children, I am finding. I will take this one, children. Hey, wow, sports bike. Very nice children, very nice. Okay children, I am finding one more toy. What is this? What is this? Wow, yellow color classic car. Children, very nice children, very nice. Please subscribe the channel, children. Very nice. Okay, children, I am taking one more time. Wow, very big dumper, children.
Sany SRT 95. It is a highly resistant truck which has been designed to carry heavy loads.
Very nice, children, very nice. Please like the video, children, and don't forget. Okay, finding one more time. What is this, children? One more one. Wow, children, lorry, unloading lorry, children. Very nice, children, very nice. Okay, bye children. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.